The red fox, vulpes, is a captivating and wily creature that has fascinated humans for centuries. Hailing from the Canidae family, the red fox is the largest of the true foxes and boasts a diverse and extensive range across the globe. The red fox's distinct red fur is a result of a recessive gene, which gives it its striking appearance. But it's important to note that the color of a fox's fur can vary greatly, from red to silver to cross-marked with black. Foxes are known for their intelligence and adaptability. They have a highly developed brain, capable of problem-solving, learning, and memory tasks, making them one of the most intelligent wild animals. Their adaptability is evident in their diet. Red foxes are omnivorous, feeding on a wide variety of food, including birds, rodents, insects, and even fruit. Foxes have excellent night vision, aided by a layer of clear, protective cells on their eyes, which allows them to hunt effectively in the dark. The red fox's unique vocalizations include a range of sounds, from a barking alarm call to a series of high-pitched yelps known as a scream, which they use to communicate with other foxes. Foxes play a crucial role in their ecosystems, helping to control rodent populations and maintaining a balance in the natural world. However, their intelligence and adaptability have also made them a target for human exploitation. Overhunting and habitat loss have threatened their populations, leading to conservation efforts to protect these fascinating creatures. Despite these challenges, the resilient red fox continues to captivate us with its beauty, intelligence, and adaptability. Understanding and appreciating these remarkable animals is essential for their conservation and the preservation of our planet's biodiversity.